Welcome to the 2026 Injury Corner, and this is something new we'll be doing this year and beyond, and plan to do this whenever there's a high-profile injury, just to give the everyday person an idea of what takes place with an injury to the athletes typically that we see on TV. And most recently, we had an injury to the quarterback of the Denver Broncos, Bo Nix, when at the end of the game, he sustained a fracture to his right lower leg and was diagnosed as a fibula fracture. Symptoms often include inability or diminished ability to bear weight, tenderness through the area, potential deformity of the lower leg. These can vary in severity from anywhere from just a tiny crack through the bone to potential displacement of the bone or break into multiple pieces. And depending on the severity will typically depend on the treatment afterwards, from anything from just immobilizing in a boot to potentially a surgery. And he did end up having surgery. Recovery from this injury could take anywhere from potentially 4 to 6 weeks on the early side of things to even upwards of 8 to 12 weeks on the long side of things to recover from this injury. And typically with physical therapy afterwards, we'll look at restoring range of motion, flexibility through the lower leg, specifically the knee, the foot, and the ankle, as well as restoring strength and stability through training the muscles, and then ultimately working on training the power in order to jump, cut, and sprint again.